Most of the times you find it confusing of when to use want and when to use need in English sentences. So in this video, I've made it easier for you to know when and where to use want and need in English. Remember, here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Wantuyiga olulimi oluzungu n'oluganda mu bwangu. Ebiseera ebisinga obadde otawanyizibwa okozesa njagala ne neetaaga mu luzungu, that is I want, njagala, I need, neetaaga in English and Luganda. So let's get started. So what do I mean by want, or what do I mean by need? Remember, want in Luganda is njagala, njagala, and need in Luganda is neetaaga, neetaaga. So let's start with want. Want is used to show a desire or a wish for something, like you just desire something. For example, I want to go out, I want to swim. It is not a necessity, it's just a desire, your wish at that particular time. So want is used to show a desire or a wish for something. So you wish something to happen for you. You wish something to occur at that particular time. So that is how we use want. Want mu Luganda kitegeeza eno want ekozesebwa okulaga ekintu ekyegombebwa oba ekisuubirwa. Ekyegombebwa, like you wish something to happen. Ekisuubirwa, you wish something to happen at that particular time. Ekintu okyegomba. Eno want oba njagala oba ekintu okyagala bwagazi naye nga si kyateeka, oli ayinza okkikolera oba obutakikolera. So this want is used to show just a desire or a wish for something, implying that so something can be done for you or it may not be done for you. It's not a necessity. So that is how want is used. So want shows desired thing, eraga kyagalwa. Eno want oba njagala eraga kyagalwa. Okay, so what does need mean? Need is used to show the required or necessary item. So in this case, you can't go without this. Need is used to show the required or necessary item. Eno need oba neetaaga, ekintu okyetaaga tosobola kubeerawo wekitali. You cannot bear without it. It is used for something which you cannot do without, or something which you cannot forego. So ekozesebwa okulaga ekyetaagibwa nga kyetaagibwa. So need, neetaaga, want, njagala. So that is the difference. This one shows desired thing, whereas need, it shows necessity. That's the difference. Okay, let's have some examples of using want. Ebyokulabirako. Example number 1 is I want a new car. I want a new car, implying that you are just desiring for the new car, but it's not a necessity. You can live without this new car. So there we use I want a new car. And this in Luganda is nze njagala emmotoka empya. New car, emmotoka empya. Or when you are in advanced level, you can say njagala emmotoka empya. Since nze is replaced with njagala, you yourself, njagala emmotoka empya. But for beginners, we use nze njagala emmotoka empya. Shouldn't confuse you. Example 2, we have I want to go and play. I want to go and play. Nze njagala okugenda okuzanya, implying that you can live without playing. So it is just a want, not a need. Nze njagala okugenda okuzanya. I want to go and play. Example 3, she wants to swim. She wants to swim. So you're just expressing your desires of swimming. She wants to swim. Ye ayagala kuwuga. Ye ayagala kuwuga. So she can bear without swimming. Ye asobola okubeerawo nga tawuze. Example 4, we have they want to watch a movie. They want to watch a movie. Bo baagala kulaba movie. Bo baagala kulaba movie. So they just wish or they just desire to watch the movie. bo baagala kulaba bulabi film oba bwagalizi kulaba movie. They can do without watching the movies, of course. Okay, let's go to examples on how we use need. Remember what you should note: need shows necessity, whereas want shows desire, the thing you just desire for that thing, which means something can be done for you or not with want, but with need you can't go without that thing being done for you. Examples ebyokulabirako. Number one, we have I need water. So this is a necessity. You can't live without taking water. So I need water. You need water. Nze neetaaga mazzi. Nze neetaaga mazzi. So with need, it shows you cannot go without it. Tosobola kubeerawo ewatali kino kintu. So you cannot survive without water. That's why we say I need water. Nze neetaaga mazzi. Example 2, we have you need a ticket to watch the movie. In this example, you need, not you want. We say you need because it is a necessity. You can't go to the theater without possessing the ticket. That's why here we use need. You need a ticket to watch the movie. Gwe weetaaga tiketi okulaba movie. Once again, gwe weetaaga tiketi okulaba movie. So obanga toyina tiketi eno tosobola kuaccessinga movie oba cinema hall. So otali tiketi tosobola kulaba firimu. Weetaaga tiketi, weetaaga okubeera nayo gy'olagayo okukkirizibwa okulaba firimu. Okay, example 3, we have we need to eat. This is a necessity. We need to eat, because if you don't eat, you can die. So we use need because you can't go without eating. We need to eat. Fe twetaaga okulya. Fe twetaaga okulya. Some people can say twetaaga okulya when you are many. Twetaaga okulya. They need to bathe. They need to bathe. This is a necessity. They need to bathe. Bo betaaga okunaaba. Or some people say betaaga okunaaba. Bo betaaga okunaaba, because you cannot live without bathing. Okay, so that is the difference between using want and need. Hope you've got something those inachoizemu. Remember, want is njagala, ekintu okyagala bwagaze, whereas need netaaga. It is a necessity. Need shows necessity, whereas want shows desired or ekintu ekyegombewa okubeerawo. Let me leave you with a question. Question: form sentences using want or need. So you can send in your answers using want or need. You can send in your answers in the comment box and I have a look at what you've got. Okay, so that is it in this video. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Wherever.